Hello children, today we are going to do a beautiful decoration on a glass bottle. This is the decoration using the clay and we have painted it on top of that, and so I'll show you the materials to be used. So the materials you need is an empty clean bottle which you get in an art shop, which is just priced 50, or you can use any other bottles which you have at home. So this is the clay which you have to use. You need these molds. This mold is for the flower, and for the leaf you can use this, and then a Fevicol bottle, and then paints, and then a brush, a flat brush and a round brush. So the clay is like this. There are two different clays. So all that you have to do is to mix both the clays together like this, and then flatten it little bit, and then take this mold of the flower and then place it. Remove the other portions of the clay. This is the flower mold which is just removed it just now, and now we'll place this on the bottle. So just apply little bit of Fevicol and place the flower mold onto it like this. Make more flower molds and place it on the bottle. So you can fix all the flower molds, and then you go into the leaf, apply some Fevicol and fix the leaf. Like this way you can fix more number of leaves. So for the leaves, I've just selected this color. So you can just use any color of your choice. Now we'll start the petals. We do them red color. For the middle of the flower. So children, hope you like this decorative piece which I have done today. See you next time with another interesting video. Thank you.
Get to watch interesting videos like this by subscribing our channel, and don't